Welcome back everyone to the channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a very common issue that many people face, the Chatgpt unable to load conversation error. If you've ever seen Chatgpt showing a blank screen, failing to load history, or just endlessly displaying a loading message, don't worry, you're not alone, and I'll walk you step by step through the best working fixes. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to solve Chatgpt not loading conversations and get back to using it smoothly. I'll walk you through 6 different methods to fix the issue of unable to load conversation error in Chatgpt history. Let's start with the first method. Method 1. Refresh and re-login. The simplest fix to try first is to refresh Chatgpt and re-login. Many times, this clears temporary glitches. First, log out of your Chatgpt account. After logging out, refresh the page completely. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl-Shift-R to perform a hard refresh. First, log out of your Chatgpt account. After logging out, refresh the page completely. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl-Shift-R to perform a hard refresh. On Mac, press Command-Shift-R. A hard refresh reloads all scripts and clears cached elements that may be causing the Chatgpt unable to load conversation error. After refreshing, log back in to Chatgpt with your credentials. Often, this step alone fixes the Chatgpt not loading history issue without needing further troubleshooting. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next solution. Method 2. Clear cache, cookies, and disable extensions. If the above methods don't solve the issue, we move on to one of the most effective fixes: clearing Chatgpt's cache and cookies and disabling extensions. To do this, open your browser and click on the 3 dots up the top right corner. Go to Settings. Then click on Privacy and Security. Next, open Third-Party Cookies, and then select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type OpenAI and delete all stored data by clicking the trash icon. Then, search for Chatgpt and delete its stored cache and cookies as well. This step often fixes Chatgpt not working in Chrome or Chatgpt unable to load history problems, because corrupted cookies can block the app from loading conversations properly. After clearing the data, remember to log back into Chatgpt. Next, disable your browser extensions. Sometimes ad blockers, VPN extensions, or security plugins interfere with Chatgpt. To do this, click on Extensions from the bottom left corner of Chrome and turn off unnecessary extensions. Now check if the Chatgpt not loading conversations problem is solved. Method 3. Use a VPN to fix Chatgpt loading issues. If clearing cache doesn't work, the next method is to use a VPN. Sometimes, regional restrictions or server maintenance in your country cause Chatgpt to stop working. Using a VPN allows you to connect from another region where servers are functioning normally. To add a VPN in your browser, go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type VPN, and you'll find plenty of free and paid options. Choose any VPN extension and add it to your browser. If you already have a desktop VPN program, like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or ProtonVPN, simply connect to it. Once you're connected to a different server location, refresh Chatgpt and check if the unable to load conversation error is fixed. However, remember what we discussed earlier. In some cases, a VPN may cause the problem, so if you're already using one, try disabling it as well. Test both ways to find what works best for your setup. Also, if you're using a VPN, sometimes it can interfere with Chatgpt. Try disabling the VPN temporarily and check if Chatgpt loads your conversations. On the other hand, in certain regions where servers are restricted, enabling a VPN can actually help, so test both with VPN on and off depending on your situation. Method 4. Export data and try another browser. If none of the above solutions work, we move on to the last method, which actually has 2 parts: exporting Chatgpt data and switching to a different browser. First, let's talk about exporting data, According to users on OpenAI's official forum, exporting data solved the Chatgpt not loading conversations issue for many people. To do this, open Chatgpt and click on your profile icon. Then go to Settings, Data Controls, Export. After exporting your data, log out of Chatgpt and then log back in. For many users, this step fixed the Chatgpt not loading history problem permanently. If the problem still continues, try switching to a different browser. Sometimes, the issue is specific to Chrome due to compatibility conflicts. As an alternative, you can try Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Yandex browser. Many users have reported that simply changing browsers solved their Chatgpt troubleshooting problems instantly. Method 5. Check OpenAI's server status. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your side. If Chatgpt is not loading conversations, it may be a server-side issue. Go to status.openai.com. This is the official OpenAI status page that shows whether Chatgpt and related services are experiencing downtime, server maintenance, or outages. If the website shows degraded performance or partial outage, that means the error is on OpenAI's end, not yours. In this case, you just have to wait until OpenAI resolves the issue. This method ensures you don't waste time troubleshooting when the real cause is a Chatgpt server outage. Method 6. Ensure a stable internet connection. Another common reason for the Chatgpt unable to load conversation error is an unstable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak or keeps dropping, Chatgpt may not load your chats properly. Make sure you're connected to a strong, stable internet connection. You can run a quick speed test using websites like speedtest.net to check your connection strength. If the internet is unstable, restart your router or switch to another network. This simple step often fixes Chatgpt not working issues without needing advanced troubleshooting. Quick briefing. What we learned today. We covered 6 effective methods to fix the Chatgpt unable to load conversation error. These included refreshing and relogging in, clearing cache cookies and disabling extensions, testing with a VPN, exporting data and trying another browser, checking OpenAI's server status, and finally ensuring a stable internet connection. And that's it for this guide on how to fix the Chatgpt unable to load conversation error. I hope one of these methods worked for you. If it did, let me know in the comments which one solved your issue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials on Chatgpt and AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.